Hello, Miss. My name is Lee Wei. Today I'm going to present about the assignment 2. And I am currently studying for a Bachelor of Business, majoring in Finance. The purpose of today's presentation is to share my personal learning experience using the SAP S4HANA Global Byte platform. So, to show how finance, controlling, and costing work together to support smart business operation, and to highlight my key learning outcome and reflection from assignment 1 and 2. So, throughout this journey, I have grown more passionate about data drive decision making, and I learned to visualize data using Excel, Power BI, and tablet, and explore how SAP S4HANA and integrate the finance, production, and costing into a single digital system. So this hands-on experience give me deeper insight into real-world enterprise integration. 有点卡。And let me begin with a short breakdown of Global Byte. Global Byte is a world-class bicycle manufacturer serving both professional and enthusiastic prosumers. It was founded by John David from the US and Peter from Germany, and in 2001, their two companies merged to form the Global Byte, with headquarters located in Dallas and Heidelberg, and their core value is quality, toughness, and the performance guide everything they do. And these same values shape how they use SAP S4 HANA to manage operation efficiently across region. So Global operate through two main entities, Global US and the Global Germany, and the company is co-led by John and Peter. John oversees sales, marketing, finance, and HR. He focuses on the generating revenue. Peter manage R&D, procurement, and the manufacturing. He focused on building the quality products. So they have office in Delaware, Miami, San Diego, Heidelberg, and the Hamburg. With around 100 employees worldwide, this structure allows Global Byte to link multiple departments through SAP S4HANA and ensuring consistent data flow between locations. Global Bike Producer is a variety of bicycle and accessories to serve both professional and leisure riders. Their main product line include touring bike, available in deluxe and the professional model with different color and design, and the off-road bike is built for men and women, designed for tougher terrain, and the accessories such as a helmet, glove, and riding gear that complement the bike. So this deserved product category help Global Bike strengthen its brand image and meet different customer needs across the region. So Global Byte work closely with both customer and vendor from the United States and Germany. Customers include regional retailer and the distribution who sell Global Byte product worldwide. Vendors supply raw material like frame, tire, and the component for production. So SAP S4HANA enable the company to manage their partnership in real time, linking sales order, purchase orders, and the finance data in one connection system. So this integration is improved efficiency, inventory control, and the communication across the entire value chain. So Global Bytes operation run through 9 core processes in SAP S4HANA: people, store, maintain, service, project, sell, buy, make, and track. For example, sell represents the order to cash process that connects sales order to revenue recognition. Buy refer to the procedure to pay cycle handling, purchasing, and vendor management, and make involve production, planning, and manufacturing, trade focus, and financial accounting and controlling. So this processes are fully integrated. So when one active occur, for instance, when goods are produced, the finance data update automatically across all modules. This ensures real-time visibility and accurate decision making. So now let's look at my key case study, product costing. This activity integrates the production, planning, and controlling module. I create a new product variance, the deluxe touring bike. What then I build the bill of material and routine, run the standard cost estimate, and finally mark and release the standard price. The system calculated a standard cost of USD 926.009, and through this process I learned how SAP automatically gather the material, labor, and the overhead costs and link them directly to finance controlling. So this demonstrates how production and finance are connected in one continuous digital flow. So the first step was to copy an existing finished product in the system. This helped to create a new variant based on the same product structure, saving time and maintaining consistencies in material and production data. Next, I create the required raw material for the new product. Each raw material item has its own master data, which ensure accurate cost tracking later in the process. Then I extend the material to include cost view. This step allows the system to recognize the material as part of the cost estimation process and link them to the controlling module. After that, I create the bill of materials, which lists all components used in the production of the deluxe touring bike. The BOM connect material to the finished product and is crucial for determining the total material cost. So the next step was creating the routine. Routine define the manufacturing operation such as assembly, painting, and a quick quality check, along with the time and resource needed. This information is later used to calculation labor and overhead costs. And here I run the standard cost estimate for the product. The system combine material, labor, and the overhead data to calculate a preliminary total cost. This gives management visibility into production expenses before the product is released. Once the cost estimate was complete, I marked the price update and viewed the planned cost. This allowed SAP to store the estimate cost as the mark price before making it official, so company can review this figure for accuracy. So after verification, I released the standard cost in the system. This officially update the product cost record. In this case, the standard price was USD 926.09 Once released, it became the reference for inventory valuation and the cost control. So finally, I viewed the final release price in SAP. This confirmed that the product costing cycle was completed successfully, and from material creation to cost release. It demonstrates how SAP ensures transparency, accuracy, and the traceability in cost management. So through assignment 1, I learned to analyze and visualize business data using Excel, Power BI, and Tablet, and it's helped me understand how data insight can drive decision making and improve my confidence in finance analysis. In assignment 2, I applied those skills within SAP S4HANA, exploring how finance and controlling modules connect with production. So I experienced how digital systems like SAP ensure accuracy, real-time tracking, and better cost management. So together, this assignment taught me that technology is not just about automation, it's a bridge that turns data into actionable business insight. Okay, to conclude, this SAP learning journey helped me understand how finance and operation are connected in real company. It also showed me the importance of digital integration in making accurate and strategic business decisions. So thank you very much for listening, and I hope you enjoy my presentation.